MERCUSYS Range Extender, model MW300RE, signal LED. It's green when the connection between the range extender and the access point is good. The two devices are not too far apart, or there are not many obstacles between them. Your internet connection will be stable and seamless. If the LED is orange, the connection between the range extender and the AP host is poor. The distance between the access point and the range extender is too far, or there are many obstacles between them. Obstacles in the house are usually walls. Your internet connection will be interrupted, especially when you are watching videos or playing games. A red LED means the connection is lost at that time. You will lose your internet connection. The cause is too far, incorrect setup, or the access point is not working. Here are some basic setup steps. The quickest way to set it up is to use the WPS button. You use the WPS button to pair the access point and the range extender. I paired MERCUSYS and Netgear. Press the WPS button on Netgear. WPS LED blinks. MERCUSYS. Press the WPS button on MERCUSYS. The WPS LED will blink for 2 minutes. The two devices will pair within those 2 minutes. Wait until the LED on MERCUSYS turns green for successful pairing. The advantage of this method is its simplicity and speed. However, this method has disadvantages. It creates a wireless network similar to an access point. Moving between the two devices may cause network instability. Therefore, I recommend setting up a new wireless network on MERCUSYS. When using a computer or phone to manually set it up, you scan for the default wireless network on MERCUSYS. The default wireless network is printed on the device. The default wireless network has no password. After the connection is complete, you will be redirected to the setup page. mwlogin.net is the device's local domain. The default IP address is 192.168.1.253. You use the IP address or local domain in case the setup page doesn't appear automatically. By default, the device does not have a login password. Create login password. The password must be between 6 and 15 characters. The device automatically scans for surrounding wireless networks. Besides the found wireless networks, the signal strength is displayed. Alternatively, you can manually scan by accessing the basic menu. Both methods list the wireless networks that the range extender can connect to. Netgear. This is the access point I will connect to. The device only finds wireless networks on the 24 GHz band. It does not support the 5 GHz band. Extended SSID. Set the wireless network name on MERCUSYS.com. This is the difference compared to the method using the WPS button. You can customize the wireless network name on the range extender. At that point, you'll know whether your computer or phone is connected to an access point or range extender. Manual connection for a more stable internet connection. A flashing red LED indicates it's connecting to the access point. A green LED indicates a successful connection to the access point. Now connect to the new wireless network to check the results. The maximum Wi-Fi speed is 300, but actual measurements are around 35 to 40 for personal use. You can use the internet for various purposes. You just need to ensure a stable connection from the range extender to the access point. Next are some advanced settings. For example, backup and restore. System tools. Backup and restore. Backup. You create a file to save the device configuration. This file is created for later use, for example, after a factory default restore. You set up the device without scanning surrounding networks, without remembering the wireless network password on the access point, and without being near the access point. Backup and restore. Restore. Connected. If you want to change the wireless network name on MERCUSYS, change it in the basic menu or advanced menu. Wireless network name. Change login password. Set a stronger password. System tools. Login password. Old password. New password. Confirm password. Password length. 6 to 15 characters. And finally, factory default restore using the button. Use this in case you forget your login password. There is a single button to use both functions, WPS and reset. Unlike using the WPS button, press and hold the reset button until the LED flashes. Then release the reset button. Good luck.